Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn on how to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. Since Toncoin is not listed on Binance for trading and services, we need to swap Ton to USDT in the Tonkeeper app first. So just click on the swap option. Then you just have to choose to swap Ton with USDT and then enter the amount you wish to transfer. And once done, you will then just have to click on the send option right here. So this one, and then as you can see, we have the address or name and then the comment. So we have to open our Binance application. Then from there, we just have to click on this icon at the top left of our screen and then select deposit. Okay, so this one right here. Then after that, you will then just have to look for USDT. You can use the search bar at the top or you just have to simply scroll down until you can see the USDT. And then right here, you just have to choose the correct network. So just click on a Toncoin. Okay, and then right here, you will then just have to copy the deposit address. So just click on the copy icon right here and then go back to Tonkeeper and then paste here the address. Now go back and then copy the comment and then paste it right here. And then you just have to specify if how much you want to send and then select continue. And then if everything looks correct, you just have to select confirm and send it. Now, if you want money from USDT, you just have to go back right here and then select P2P in the Binance app. And then right here, just have to select sell and then choose the currency you want to receive and USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Now you just need to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Then just have to proceed and enter your bank details. So when prompted, you just have to confirm the transaction and wait for the funds. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.